Tonia.
I dare give you the money.
24 packs. You can get 2 soups and...
No, it's fine, bro. Trust me.
It's fine.
Yeah. Well, I'll probably get hungry later, so I can get hungry later.
Don't trip.
Pizza tomorrow.
Alright.
Pizza tomorrow.
You guys go. You guys go get your pizza.
Let's go.
Wait, so we're just gonna leave JR and Chong together alone? Oh, this is a great idea.
Where's it gonna be out?
That's a very great idea, JR. But the next thing I know, I go out there and I see you guys making out.
Just kidding. Turning on when he was doing the spark thing, and then
You motherfucking killed me. Oh, that's the wrong one. My bad.
Well, that's how it's done.
Okay, so this one, this one.
Don't you have to read before doing shit?
Chef Funes.
That's it.
There we go.
Chef Funes in the building.
Gordon? No, Gordon Funes.
What are you gonna cook for us today?
Huh?
What are you gonna cook for us?
I'm going to make you guys a very spicy, very special, perfect college educational soup. I'm gonna mix some chicken flavor with stock. I'm gonna add a couple eggs. Let's get it from the fridge. Now, the key to making a perfect noodle soup, you're supposed to add a couple eggs to make it. You don't want it to be too moist. You don't want it to taste too much chicken. You know, you want to expand it. You want to use their children. Now, you have to let it boil for a crisp 5 minutes for it to fully boil. Now I'm just. Where are the weenies? Where are the weenies? Damn, Eric, shit, man. Thinking the biggest shit of your life or what? He's still thinking of shit? Damn, come on. Hey, whose backpack is this? Come here, Mark.
Where are you, Mark? I'm gonna grab you with that watch. No, fuck.
Did you guys say
Jared, no.
Jared, no. Where are you making a mess of the first day?
I'm staying. Me and Juan will stay.
I want to see snow too. So we might go to Mount Charleston or something like that. Because you know it takes
Paparazzi, enough.
It takes
Leave the Bonilla alone.
It takes 5 hours.
Paparazzi.
What is that noise?
Fuck. No, that's small. Not.
Alright, so right now, sorry if I didn't record saying goodnight in the last video. I was really tired. And yeah, right now we're heading to some other location we're not even sure about. And yeah, this is the place we're sleeping in.
It was a lot nicer before.
Where the hell we're going? And supposedly that it's really freezing cold over there. Well, originally the plan we were supposed to go to Arizona. I guess the Grand Canyon, but I guess like not anymore for some reason. And yeah, this is our car or the van that we're staying in.
Bottom. Middle bottom.
Well, that too, yeah.
Wait, get your ass in the car.
Bottom, like scoot up the. Yeah, there you go.
Cool.
In the flagrant? Yeah, you're good.
Hi. Ladies and gentlemen. Nothing, you took that extra cash out?
Whoa.
Yeah, it's focused.
Oh, you can flip it over. Switch the screen over.
Like this or the other way? Ah, fuck it. I'm already done.
Everyone ready? Did you lock the door?
Yeah, I locked the door already.
You sure?
Did you bring the keys?
Yeah,
Where the keys at?
the key to the house.
Give it to JR.
That's Funes. What?
Shit, man. Piece of shit. I don't trust you now.
That's Funes.
You have one job, right?
That's nasty.
Tell me where to go.
Evelyn. Is Sammy home? You're not gonna be home for Christmas? Is Sammy home? No, she doesn't. I am going to be home for Christmas. climb the mount. Try and climb Mount Crumpet.
What?
Mount Crumpet.
How do you feel, Juan?
Is it even focused?
Yes, it's focused. I checked. I'll be back. I'm gonna zoom this bitch out. What's up, Chong?
What's up, man?
How you feeling on this very day?
Cold, because I didn't bring the right clothes.
Still getting out of the car?
I'm buying pizza, so you better stay. How's this very moment?
Afghanistan?
Are you ready? Ready? Let's go run for it. I was just about to run for it. I was about to run for it.
The camera just tumbled. You see that in the video?
I was all like, we're gonna do it like that alien movie. Moving around the camera.
Hey, we gotta take a picture.
Fuck your picture.
Go, Juan.
How do I have grip?
Oh shit. You weren't kidding. It's slippery as hell, man. Oh, shit. Hey, get your finger in there. Get your finger in there.
Here I go. Oh! I'm good. I know, I'm good. I'm good.
Roll the
I'm good.
camera.
I'm good. I'm good. Go, JR. I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it! Good! Good! Good!
I did find that one.
Wait.
Damn.
John,
Sexy ass Sasquatch.
I'll take.
look at Josh. You shall not pass!
That was a good snowball. That actually.
I was holding on. Still.
Use your man strength. Use your man. Yeah. Climb up like a bear or something.
Hold up, hold up.
Is it hard?
Give it best pose.
I'm moving so you don't fuck with him in the car. You need to stick your feet. Unless you're aiming at me, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Then how are we gonna go through there? Look at JR struggling.
Hey, if you
I
fall,
swear to God,
you
if they
sprint
fall,
your
it
whole
recorded
face.
Aaron, just in case. We'll wait right here. If Funes falls, just land on his ass.
Let's find an easier path, yeah?
Nah, you think?
Look, if you fell back right here, there's just a bunch of rocks waiting for you.
Herrera. I'm gonna laugh my ass off, dude.
Hey, have the camera on JR.
Hey, have the camera on JR. Here we go. Alright, JR, whenever you're fucking ready.
No, I'm not going up.
Go up there.
Well, I'm not gonna be able to get it. They're gonna have to cast it up.
Yeah, they'll fucking throw it at you. Don't worry. Hey, Aaron, get behind him. I'm gonna die. Aaron, get behind him. Aaron's big ass, look at that. I can see your crack.
Oh, the thing's already
Aaron, I said it got. Oh, damn! Oh, yes! Hey, Bonilla, you and Aaron just go together. I want to see food in it. Oh my God, Aaron!
Ready, Aaron?
Ready.
Oh.
I'm over here, buddy.
¡Cállese la boca! I got this.
Hurry up, man.
Hey! I said I got this.
Hurry up.
I got this.
Come on, man.
¡Cállese la boca!
I would have finished by now.
Looking at it. Come on. Gerbil?
probably some panic.
I got the third ball.
Yeah, that must have hurt, man. That must have burned.
It is a burn. Oh.
That was funny.
What about Mark?
I'm not going. There, you're funny. You're funny, Josh. You're funny, Josh.
No, go.
No, I'm not.
More meat on your
You
bone.
go.
Come
You
on,
go
go up
first.
there. Fuck yourself.
I forgot something in the car.
Going back there, huh?
Oh my god, that shit was funny.
Go up there, Josh.